Hey guys, Chris here. I have made something really stupid. Now, I decided to put some pins on a Rubik's Cube. Yeah, this is not a fun solve. I've decided to name it the Masocube. And for this video, I'm going to try and solve it one-handed. Okay, so I've fully scrambled this. Just let the pain begin. So first of all, really flipping hurts. Ow! Ow! Fiddlesticks. No, that's gonna. Christ. Ow. There we go, and the green cross piece. I need to get my hand around to bloody. Ow! Ow! It's rearranging it in your hand that's the painful bit. Ow! I nearly dropped it. Goodness, I should have really set up a heart rate monitor to monitor my heart rate after this, because this is not going to be good for my blood. Ow! 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 God's sake. Ow! Ow! Oh, what the heck? There we go. Okay. Need to. Ow! Oh. It sticks into your fingers. That's the. I mean, it's hard to move around because all these pins are in the way. So you can't really do the. Ow! There we go. Nope. There we go. Off of. This is not a good situation. I should have planned ahead. Ow. Flipping the. It's when you're moving it and it scratches you. Ow! Ow! What? I think this was a good idea. This is a terrible idea. Fiddlesticks. There we go. Ow! No. Ow. To watch where I put my fingers as well, because I keep just straight up putting my finger on the pins. I can't think anymore. This is okay. Take a second to breathe. What do I need to do? Oh, flipping heck. There we go. This is going to take a long time, I'm afraid, because I'm going through some pain right now. Oh no, not this one. I can't even rotate the cube without getting stabbed a million times. And then ow! Oh! I can't speak anymore. This is really getting on my nerves. Oh God. Sorry, this is something else. Oh. Okay, nearly there. Nearly there. One more algorithm, then I'm done. Ow. No, 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 no. There we go. My hands, oh, it's my fingertips are just aching so much. This was a terrible idea. Okay, I really can't recommend this cube. This was painful. Definitely don't solve it one-handed like I just did. That was really stupid. Don't try this at home or anywhere. Really don't. Just don't try this. You'll just injure yourself. It's a stupid idea. Why am I even doing this? Oh well. See you later. Bye.